Right-click, select on Add Indicator/Strategies, or click on the Indicator/Metrics/Strategies tab. Search for BB, Bollinger Bands. Right-click on any part of the indicator. Settings, make your adjustments to the indicator. Since this is BB indicator is not pre-built, you will need to adjust the input data. I always put my colors the exact same way on any chart so there is no confusion. If you need to change any input criteria, you will just need to change the following. Upper indicator equals any color, solid thin line. Mid indicator equals turn off, not needed. Lower indicator equals any color, solid thin line. Length equals 21. More data to pull from. Offset equals 0, adjust as necessary. Standard deviation equals 2.5, also known as width on some charts. Line thickness equals thin. Background equals transparent. Source equals close. You can see on the chart that the candles start to correct in the opposite direction in those specific BB areas. The BB act like max per minute correction areas. You can enter/exit positions at those price points. Make any last-minute adjustments so that your charts/indicators correlate and line up correctly. I recommend fine-tuning your indicator on the higher time frames first and work your way down. We'll need to adjust your length and width accordingly so that the last max per minute shows correction in the opposite direction. Always chart from higher timeframes to lower timeframes, also known as top/down method. Your higher timeframe indicator data will always be stronger than your lower timeframes. Remember, higher timeframes equals harder to break trends. The more collective data you have, the more resistant that asset will be from breaking out from that trend. Works best on higher timeframes, but not much for lower timeframe traders. You can confidently predict momentum slowing down close to BB limits. Can see consolidation areas, where the BB starts to get thin. Imagine this indicator as if it was a rubber band. Consolidation areas are where your rubber band starts to stretch until it cannot anymore. Important, there are huge movements when the BB gets stretched for too long. This stretching of the BB is a clear indication of market consolidation. Also works better when you use this indicator with EMA and RSI. Look out for potential plays. Try out similar indicators to see if it's easier to set up, but a majority of them are unique in their own way. Some have more options and some are already pre-built with limited room for manipulation. Remember, an indicator is only a reference tool used to make charts easier to read and decipher what has already happened. This means we can use indicators to make better predictions on what is ideally supposed to occur next. Let's learn and make money together. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Please leave a comment on what you want to see more of. Instagram, trade_seeker.